Hi, my name is Pomena and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to talk about expressions in Bulgarian that convey the idea that I feel like doing something. And in English we have a specific construction to say this, and in Bulgarian we also have a specific construction to say this, but they are not the same. For example, I feel like walking around or going for a walk in Bulgarian will be разхожда ми се. Разхожда takes the third form of the verb разхождам, and then we say me, which is to me. Not I am doing, but I am the receiver of an activity. And then se, which is the reflexive article that we use. So, разхожда ми се, I feel like going on a walk. Then, if we want to change the person and we want to make it for ti, for the singular you, the expression will keep the verb as it is, разхожда, but this time we will say ti on the second position, and then se will go on the third position. For him, for a man, we will say разхожда му се, and the same expression works for the neutral gender. And if we have a feminine word or a woman, we will say разхожда и се. Then, if we are many people, for us, for ние, the form of the expression will change with ni in the middle, so it will result into разхожда ни се. For вие, разхожда ви се, and then разхожда им се for multiple people, they. Please note that this construction doesn't work with аз, ти, той, тя, то, ние, вие, те in front or anywhere in the sentence. It is called impersonal construction, meaning we don't say who is doing the activity, but we say who is the receiver of this activity. And we very often might hear the sentence не знам какво ми се яде. I don't know what I feel like eating. Or пие ми се нещо студено. I feel like drinking something cold. Maybe you will hear it with спи ми се. I'm sleepy. I feel like sleeping. And you can combine almost any verb in the whole language with this impersonal construction, but please note that it doesn't mean that you're doing the activity. It means that you want to do it. You feel like doing it, not that you are actually doing it. So, какво ви се прави днес? How would you answer this question? Comment below, and if you have any further questions, let us know, and we are here to help you. So, comment, like, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.